Unreal. All right, so just got dropped off. I left my car at a viewer's house about an hour south of here, and just went to print my boarding pass and realized I left my wallet in my other pants. So I don't know. Gonna have to figure this out. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Could you help me with something?
Yeah, sure. Let me just log in real quick. Am I on camera?
If you don't mind.
Oh, no, that's okay.
All right, cool. Because I'm flying to Alaska tonight.
Uh-huh.
And I forgot my wallet.
Yeah?
My car is an hour south of here.
Oh, okay.
Am I going to be able to get on this flight without an ID?
Did you make the reservation?
I'm already checked in, like, on my phone.
You already checked in. I'm just gonna ask you a couple of questions, and if I feel comfortable that it's you, then I'll send you through. Then it's like a TSA issue.
Okay, cool.
After that.
Okay, guys, quick update on what's going on. A viewer dropped me off here, and I left my wallet in my pants, in my car at his house, and he's about an hour south of here. So he's trying to go there and come back, but I'm not sure if we're gonna have enough time. I tried to get through TSA, and they asked me to print out my boarding pass, and both my phones died, so I'm sitting here against the wall charging them. So yeah, kind of struggling right now. Yeah.
You're gonna go straight until you see another checkpoint like this. Go past that one to the next one. Go down their stairs. It's gonna put you on a shuttle. That shuttle ride is about 2 minutes. Okay? And then once you get there, you need to book up the stairs.
Tell me I made it.
You made it.
All right, good. There you go. How's your day going? Nice. Thank you very much. Oh my God. Hello.
That looks serious.
Thank you. It's very serious.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from every state in America, and now I head to Alaska and then to Hawaii, and I'm done. I almost missed the flight.
Oh God.
Yeah.
But you haven't been to Alaska before.
Never.
And you chose Ketchikan.
Yeah.
Interesting. Wow. You have a great story, sir. Great.
Okay. I think I'm all the way in the back. Nice meeting you.
You are? That's because they put the cool kids for that. I'm so excited about your project. So
Thank
excited
you.
about it. Yeah.
Take care.
Enjoy. Have a
Bye.
good adventure. Hawaii tomorrow, right?
Yep. Thank you.
Nice.
See you later. Okay, so I have no time to try to explain what's going on. There's also like too much to even explain, but made it to Alaska. Last night on the plane in, I met someone who owns a tour guide company, and he's gonna give me a ride right now. He just pulled up to give me a quick tour of Alaska. But yeah, still no credit card, no ID, and getting the move. Yep.
You can just put your pinky, hold it. So this is where we are on the dock down here right now.
Okay.
We're down here on this curve right here, so we're right here.
Alright.
The skate park is up here, the city park, and then the Ketchikan Creek Salmon Row. Skate park's right there on the corner. Where's your skateboard?
Oh no.
Oh no.
When you come back here, tell him to take you to Super 8 and bring you back.
Okay guys, 0 for 2 on this trip. I left my skateboard at the hotel, so we're going back now. Oh, still there.
Chad is here. Chad, this is Ray. Chad.
Ray, nice to meet you. Pleasure. What are these ships over here?
Tour boat. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, there's 2,000 tourists on there. I know, right?
Okay, I'll be there in a minute. Town, by the way, is called Newtown, and it's been called Newtown since 1919. And the whole downtown of Ketchikan, as most all Southeast Alaska, is tourist traps.
How would you sum up the people of the area, like characteristic wise?
Friendly.
Yeah?
Ketchikan is In fact, the Ketchikan is known by people that have come up and visited for its friendliness. Once in a great while, you'll run into a grouch. Maybe they're just having a bad day. It's hard to say. But for the most part, we're friendly, and not just because they're tourists. Not because they're tourists, just because we are. The average number of days in a year with measurable precipitation, 197.
All right, thanks for everything, Ray. Appreciate it. The tour was great.
Enjoy.
I got one last question for you.
Okay.
All right, where should I eat? I'm here for one day.
Do you want to sit down restaurant?
Like the best way to experience the last Ketchikan.
Go to Annabelle's.
Annabelle's?
They'll have several different kinds of fish as well as regular food.
Okay, awesome. Yes. What's your favorite thing on the menu?
My favorite thing on the menu is actually the black and halibut wrap.
Okay, so I have a bowl of the smoked salmon chow.
Okay.
All right, that's it.
That's it.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. That's my second favorite.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, there's not a whole lot on that menu I don't like.
Do you live here?
I do, yeah.
What's your favorite part of it?
Of Ketchikan?
Yeah.
Definitely the wilderness.
Yeah?
Yeah, getting out in the woods or out on the water.
Do you
Yeah.
fish?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah?
Not as a job, but for fun.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Catch
Take
you.
care. Can't believe I'm skating in a t-shirt right now. When I was like thinking about my trip to Alaska, I was picturing me like having to shovel the skate park or like something like that, but one of the nicest days of the trip. How's the skating over here?
It's all right. There's definitely, like, it's a tight-knit community.
Yeah.
Everybody loves skating. You know, everybody's nice. It's a lot of scooter kids.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this the only park?
Yeah, we only have one park. And there's, like, a couple straight spots, but not really.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw all the roads are like pretty. It's
Yeah,
tough to
most
skate
of
around
the
and
ground is
stuff.
rough.
Yeah. Okay, so we got like the same situation as yesterday. I gotta get on a flight in like, I think it's 3 hours, but I have no ID. So I gotta get there even earlier this time. But I'm gonna try nollie heel back tail. I tried on day one and couldn't get, so let's see if I can get that. Just realized I never got to change my board from Idaho when I was skating in the rain. Alright, I think I know what I'm doing wrong. So when I go to pop and flick, it's like I jump away from you guys when I'm trying to do it, but I have to jump towards you to be able to like flick it the right way, if that makes sense. But I don't know, I just feel like it feels natural to jump that way. I don't know, see if that helps. So another thing I think that's helping is when I flick almost straight and like not, when I don't try to rotate the whole thing, it works. When I try to do a nollie back heel, it just, I just don't flick at all. Right here. Just to give you guys some perspective, after this, I have to call a cab and then get on a ferry to where the airport is. So, and then go through security with no ID. Feeling the pressure a little bit, but I think we got it. God. I'm seriously getting too low on time. I'm gonna try 5 more and I gotta like, I don't know, try to think of something else. Okay guys, my phone's right about to die. I gotta switch it up. I'm gonna try a fakie nose pick 270 out. I got like, I don't know, 10 minutes before I have to leave for the airport. Alright guys, my phone died the second I landed that. Yeah, Alaska was amazing. I love the community here. It seems like way tighter and everyone kind of knows each other. Yeah, but right now I gotta head to the airport, try to catch my flight. Didn't bring a change of clothes, so I'll just be soaking wet on that flight. But that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 50 in Hawaii.